Data. Based on investment alone, it's the most valuable commodity in history, and one company secures, protects, backs up, and recovers more data and workloads than any other. Only Commvault makes you ready. Now, we're redefining resilience for the biggest data challenge yet, AI. Where data is more distributed than ever before. Commvault Cloud Unity is the only platform built for unified resilience at enterprise scale. Unifying resilience across multiple clouds with strict governance. Unifying massive AI-scale data with AI Copilot simplicity. Unifying security, identity, and recovery. So you're ready for resilience operations. ResOps, which puts resilience at the center of your business, making resilience active, continuous, and consistent at enterprise scale. Commvault Cloud Unity. It's the one platform analysts say is the most ready for AI. Get ready like never before.